Hey guys, how you doing? It's Robert again with Bison Roofing. Real quick, I just want to talk about a quick little foundational shingle that is very important to the roofing system. It's the starting point when we install all the way from the decking to our underlayment, our ice and water barriers, and our shingles. And again, the name is right there, starting point. So what I have here is the starter strip shingle by Owens Corning. This right here is very important. Basically, this is a starter strip that we apply on the eaves, on the edges of the roof, that basically starts the installation process when it comes to our roof. This has an adhesive strip here. We fasten it down above the adhesive area, making sure that it is nice and, fastened, doesn't go anywhere. But the importance of this, the benefit and what it's supposed to do is create that first step when we apply our shingles directly over it. This sticky adhesion, once we install our first shingle, it overlays the starter strip and this adhesion sticks, creating that nice collective barrier or collective togetherness when shingle meets the starter strip at the edge of the roof, or eave in other words. So very important to starting the roofing system, very important. We use the starter strip plus here at Bison Roofing because we are an Owens Corning Platinum Preferred contractor, and this product is great. It sticks well, it's very durable. The eaves love it, and the roof shingles love it too because they stick very good to this. So again, a quick little video on the importance of the starter strip when applied. My name is Robert. Be sure to follow us on YouTube at Bison Roofing. Visit our website at bisonroofing.net and follow us on Instagram at Bison Roofing Co. Till next time, guys, I'll see you.